So if we can understand that we're supposed to take rest time, we understand that when we feel crummy, when we have a fever, when we have a cough, when we have all of those symptoms, it is our body going into a state where it's repairing. That's why like sometimes you'll be working really hard and then you go on vacation and then you get sick as soon as you go on vacation. It's because your body has finally entered a state where it's like, oh, we can rest and repair. I can finally turn the cortisol down, because cortisol is that thing that blocks all of your symptoms and makes you feel better, which is why like you can feel really crummy at night when you have a cold because your cortisol is going down so you can sleep. And then you wake up in the morning and as the day goes on, you feel better because you have higher levels of cortisol, and then you feel crummy in the evening again. But if we can get to a point where we're not having to push ourselves with all of that cortisol, then our body enters a state of rest, but that might mean sleeping and feeling crummy for like 3 or 4 days. And then all of a sudden you're renewed because your body had a chance to heal. So listening also involves resting when you're tired and listening to that tiredness. And I'm guilty of that.